Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English speaking podcast. If you are listening today, I know one thing about you. You want to get better at English speaking. But here is the problem many learners don't have a speaking partner. You might not live in an English speaking country. Maybe your friends or family don't speak English, or you are simply too shy to talk in front of others. So, the big problem is how do you practice speaking English alone at home? Well, in today's episode, I will share practical step by step methods that you can use daily. By the end, you will have a clear plan to improve your English speaking even if you don't have anyone to talk to. So, grab a notebook, relax, and let's begin. Change your environment into an English zone. The first thing to understand is that your environment matters. If you want to practice English at home, surround yourself with the language. This doesn't mean you need to move to London or New York. It means you bring English into your house. Label everyday objects around your home with sticky notes, mirror, chair, door, spoon. Each time you see the object, say it loud in English. This way, you will connect words with real life objects, and over time, English will start to feel natural. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. One of the simplest yet most powerful exercises is mirror speaking. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English. Describe how your day went, what's you're wearing, or what you plan to cook for dinner. When you speak in front of a mirror, two things happen. You see your expressions and mouth movements. You feel like you are talking to someone, even though it's just yourself. This helps build confidence and fluency. You will also notice when you hesitate or get stuck, and over time, you will overcome those pauses. Record your own voice. Now, this step might feel uncomfortable at first, but it's one of the best way to improve. Use your phone's voice recorder. Choose a simple topic, maybe my friend favorite movie or what I did yesterday, and talk for 2 to 3 minutes. After recording, listen carefully. Ask yourself, did I pronounce words clearly? Did I use simple sentences or did I get stuck? Did I repeat the same words too often? By listening to yourself, you will hear mistakes you didn't even realize you were making. Over time, you will sound clearer and more confident. Shadowing technique. The shadowing technique is a powerful way to improve pronunciation and rhythm. Here is how it works. Play an English audio like a short podcast, news clips, or a scene from a movie. As the speaker talks, repeat what they say at the same time, like a shadow. Try to copy their tone and speed. At first, it will feel difficult. You might not catch every word, but with practice, your pronunciation, listening, and speaking will improve together. Think of it as singing along with English instead of practicing alone. Use daily monologues. Every day, pick a topic and talk about it for a few minutes. For example, what I ate for breakfast, my dream travel destination, why I like or dislike rainy days. The idea is to create a daily monologue. Pretend you are giving a short speech. If you don't know how to continue, ask yourself questions. What, why, when, how. For example, I had toast for breakfast. Why toast? Because it's quick. How did I make it? I toasted the bread and added butter. By questioning yourself, you keep the conversation alive even without a partner. Talk to virtual assistants or AI tools. Technology can be your practice partner. Apps like Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa, or even AI chatbots can help you practice speaking. Ask them questions in English and respond to their answers. For example, hey Siri, what's the weather today? Alexa, tell me a joke. These small conversations may seem funny, but they push you to speak in English and get instant feedback. Read aloud every day. Reading silently is good for understanding, but reading aloud trains your speaking muscles. Choose an article, short story, or even English subtitles from a movie and read them out loud. This improves your pronunciation, fluency, confidence. Start with 5 minutes daily and increase the time slowly. Imitate your favorite characters. Do you enjoy movies or TV shows? Great. Pick your favorite character and imitate them. Copy how they speak, their accent, their style. This is not just fun, it also trains your speaking rhythm. For example, if you like Harry Potter movies, repeat a few lines from Harry or Hermione. If you like Marvel, copy Iron Man's dialogues. Think in English. One of the most powerful habits is to change your thinking language. Usually, we think in our native language and then translate into English. This slows us down. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start small. When you see an apple, think apple, not your native word. When you are hungry, think I am hungry. When planning your day, think in English. First, I will finish my work, then I will cook lunch. At first, it will feel unnatural, but with time, English thoughts will come naturally. Set goals and track progress. Lastly, don't forget to set small, clear goals. For example, I will practice speaking for 10 minutes daily. I will record my voice twice a week. I will shadow one video every evening. Keep a journal of your progress. Write what you practiced, what mistakes you noticed, and what improved. Looking back after a month, you will see how far you have come. Motivation and mindset. Before we end, let's talk about mindset. Many learners feel shy or think, what if I make mistakes? Remember, mistakes are proof that you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The important thing is consistency. Practicing English alone at home won't give you instant results, but if you keep at it every single day, your fluency will grow. Remember, practicing alone doesn't mean you are lonely in this journey. Every time you speak English, even if it's to yourself, you are building the fluency that will help you when you finally speak to others. Thank you so much for listening. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends who also learn English. Until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember your voice matters. Bye for now.